Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video, we will learn more about directions. Every morning, Aarti and other school children assemble in school ground for the morning assembly. All the students stand facing the stage. Look at the picture. Aarti is standing near the microphone. Navita is standing on Aarti's right. Renu is standing on her left. And Rahul is standing behind her. We commonly use the words left, right, in front of, and behind for directions. But these words do not give us the exact direction. Here, they are used to give the position of other students from Aarti. But how can we find the exact direction? With a compass, of course. The invention of compass has made it easy for everyone to know the exact directions. A compass is an instrument that shows directions. Look at a compass. You will note that there are four basic points. These 4 points are at the top and the bottom and on the right and left sides of a compass. They are called the cardinal directions or four main points of the compass. These four cardinal directions are east, west, north, and the south. The sun rises in the morning in the east and sets in the west in the evening. This reference makes it easy to locate the other directions. There are four intermediate or intermediary directions which are marked between the four cardinal directions. For example, the intermediate direction between the north and the east is called northeast, and the intermediate direction between the north and the west is called northwest. Similarly, the intermediate direction between the south and the east is called southeast, and the intermediate direction between the south and the west is called southwest. The hand or arrow of the compass always points to the end or north, and from that point you can locate the other directions. Do you know? It is believed that the Chinese invented the magnetic compass, which was used by fortune tellers. Fortune tellers are persons who tell your future. Now let us go back to Aarti school and find out the correct direction of Aarti and her friends as they stand in the school assembly. You know that the sun rises in the east. Aarti is facing the sun. Hence, she is facing east. The sun always sets in the west. West direction is opposite to east. Rahul is standing behind Aarti. He is to the west of Aarti. Renu is standing to the left of Aarti. She is standing in the north, and Navita is standing to the south of Aarti. North direction is opposite to south. Why do we need to understand directions? Well, directions tell us how to reach a place or destination without getting lost on the way. It also tells us the exact location of different places, buildings, objects, and even your classroom in the school building. It is important for all of us to have the knowledge of directions. If you do not know the direction of your school, you can go in the wrong direction. Your father or mother will get lost on the way to their place of work. The pilot may not know where to land an aeroplane. Ships will be lost in the ocean. You may not know where the ice cream vendor is standing. There will be confusion everywhere. In olden times, the sailors at sea followed the movement of the sun during the day and the stars at night for directions. The North Star stayed at a fixed position all night, allowing sailors to follow it. Imagine their condition when the fog or clouds hit the sky. Now, of course, they can use a compass. Now, let's have a short recap. It is important to know directions. Directions tell us how to reach a destination. There are four cardinal directions. They are east, west, north, and south. There are four intermediary directions. They are northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. The compass is an instrument that shows directions. The hand of the compass always points towards the north. In olden days, sailors followed the movement of the sun during the day and stars at night for directions. Now, Let's see the question answers of this lesson. Thank you for watching. Bye.